The Incredibles are back. I'm excited that we get to hang out with them again. Everybody fell in love with these characters.
Explain yourself.
Bye, sweetie.
I'll watch the kids, no problem.
It's exciting to see these amazing actors back.
Hello.
Wow. Come on, get yourself together, Karen. So, yeah, I'm trying to play it cool.
Hello?
Hey, honey.
How are the kids?
Great.
And Jack?
He's in excellent health.
I think what separates The Incredibles from other superhero stories, this is fundamentally a story about a family.
That's not the way you're supposed to do it.
I don't know that way. Math is math. Math is math.
And their normalcy is so fun, juxtaposed with this unbelievable, heroic action that they partake in.
Everybody stay back!
The push for superhero legalization is becoming a worldwide movement.
He loves superheroes, and he wants to have them come out from hiding.
Remember that these are people who fight the good fight. So this theme that you should be allowed to be who you are, I think is such a universal story that anybody can understand.
To help my family, I gotta leave it. To fix the law, I gotta break it.
You've got to, so our kids can have that choice.
The strength that they pull from is the connection between them, which is the most important part.
We've got this.
Yeah!
I'm just so excited for audiences to see it.
And continue the legacy of who this family is.
Combustion imminent? What does that mean? Ah!
It means fire, Robert.